Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your phone location without any VPN. This is a new method. I have did another video about it before, but this one is a new method. So if the first one did not work for you, I'm sure this one will work for you. So what you can do now is to go to your Play Store. After going to your Play Store, you come here and search GPS emulator. GPS emulator. Okay, here is the application. GPS emulator. Okay, so I have it on my phone now. I have downloaded it. So you have to go and download it inside your phone too. So what you're going to do next, let me come out. What you're going to do next is to go to your settings. After going to your settings, you go to this my phone, but on your phone it may not show my phone because phones are different. So it may show on your phone about phone. So anyhow it is the same. You click on it. After clicking on it, you come down. This downside, you come and see bill number. This is my bill number. So you come and tap on the bill number like 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is 5 times, but sometimes some other phones is 7 times. So right now you are going to put your password. Sometimes it may not show password. It determines how you put your phone if your phone does not have password. So right now I have to put my password. Okay, now the developer option has enabled now. So right now you have to go back. After coming back to these settings, now you come to this downside system. The downside system, or at this particular place you come and search for the developer option. See it down here, the last option down here. But sometimes if you can't find your system, you don't know, you just come to this particular place, come and search for the developer option here. Okay, you see the developer option here. You come and click on developer option. So after clicking on developer option, so it is enabled now already. So after coming to developer option here like this, what you're going to do now is to go to your mog location. You search for mog location. You have to go and search for mog location at the developer option. Okay, here is it. We have select mog location app. Okay, you can see at the mog location, you see the app here, GPS emulator. Click on it. After clicking on it, now you have selected the application on the mog location now. So right now you go back and open your application that you download. Okay, here is it. Let's open it. When you open it, you see this option. Then you click on agree. After clicking on agree, You see my location here. See my location here. So, here is my location. You can see that's Nigeria. Okay, let me go on the Google map and show you my location again. Okay, see my location on the Google map. See home, Abulegba. Abulegba, that's Lagos. That's my location, my real-time location. So what you are going to do now, on the app, you are going to search for location that you want. Let's just, this is an advert, it's not part of it. Let's wait for it to load. Let's search for the country that we want to use. Okay, it has taken us to the location we want to use. What you're going to do now here is to find the location that you want. I'm still searching for the location that I want. You scroll it to the location that you want. Okay, let me put it on this White River National Forest. Any location that you want, after putting it on it like this, you make sure this particular thing is on it. Then you click on this map symbols here at the downside, this green map something. You click on it. After clicking on it, you click on this location permission. Then you click on while using the app. You click on this allow notification. You can allow it. Then you click on continue. You come and click on this symbols again, so that because it has never activated. Okay, right now it has activated. It has activated. It has activated. That is why this thing is showing like this. Then what you are going to do now is to go back and check it if it is working. Okay, you can see my location has changed. My location has changed now. It has just changed. Before I check it, it doesn't change, but you can see the location, the same location you can see on that same app. You can see it here, and you can see it's USA, Eagle County. It has changed. So this is it.